Hey everyone, okay, so new product alert. Charlotte Tilbury has just dropped 6 brand new Unreal blush sticks. We're going to swatch them all and I'll pick 2 colors and we'll do a different placement. So let's make a start. So I actually got these weeks ago. Thank you, PR team. That was really nice to get something that early. So apparently it's a advanced dose of advanced skincare with 136% more hydration in just an hour after you apply it. It is a beautifying summer light plus color, all bottled, and it instantly blurs the skin, retexturizes the skin. It's like a time machine. So let's do the swatches first. So the first one here is Pink Glow. And that's what it looks like. And we're going to swatch this right here. Now these shades are very, very transparent and you'll see. Next shade is Berry Glow, which is this gorgeous one here. Pretty Glow is next. Now this has quite a lilac undertone to it. So then we've got Rosy Glow, which is really pretty. And my 2 favorites, Cherry Glow and Peachy Glow. So here's the shades. Okay, so let's do a placement. So we'll start with the Cherry Glow, which is this really beautiful red color. And we'll do this across the cheekbones and a bit on the temple. So I'm just going to swipe it in this kind of area just to give a sun-kissed effect. And then I'm going to blend it in. So you see instantly, they're really sheer. They're almost like a stain. And you can definitely feel the kind of skincare hybrid nature of these, because there is something about them that gives them this really kind of like you put a serum on. So that's a light application. We'll just go in really quickly again, and you can see. So you can't really mess these up too much. Now this one here doesn't have any shimmer in it at all, but there is this radiant kind of glossy finish. A couple of them do have some sparkles in. And that is, I love it. I love this shade. And by the way, you can use these on your lips and they feel almost like a gloss. In case you're wondering as well, what I've got on my skin, I've actually got the Unreal Sheer Glow tints on, but with a very, very small amount of powder. So I've still got the glow going on. So the next one is going to be the Peachy Glow. Now this has some sparkle or shimmer in it. The easiest way to describe this shade is imagine NARS Orgasm, but way more peachier. It is absolutely beautiful. I'm going to go right the way across and all the way down, and we'll blend that in with the same brush. This is such a beautiful glow. It is absolutely gorgeous and stunning. It really is. It is, oh, it's beautiful. It's got way too much, and there's not a lot, by the way. It's mainly a glow, but it just has a little too much shimmer for me, which in real life means it's got shimmer in, because I don't want shimmer on my face. But for most people, oh, they'll love it. It's just really fresh, really pretty. It's absolutely gorgeous. All the shades, by the way, are amazing. Now, this was gifted to me, not paid, no, nothing like that. My thoughts are my own. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let me know what you think. Oh, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.